I left Coca-Cola inside a balloon and pushed the wheel of the car down. Let's see what happened to the plastic ambulance under the wheels of the car. I put a can bottle under the wheels of the car. The Coca-Cola bottle are gone in an instant. The condition of the ice cream under the wheels of the car deterioration. I put the chocolate cake under the wheels of the car. I put a plastic toy bird under the wheels of the car. The condition of the juice packet under the wheels is bad. Everything went out under the pressure of the car wheels. This time I put a toilet tissue paper under the wheels. One by one plastic glasses are breaking under the wheels of the car. Did this come out of the packet of toothpaste? The bottle of cold drinks floated under the pressure of the car wheels. I put some toy under the wheels of the car. Orange juice came out under the pressure of the wheels of the car. This time I put some eggs under the wheels of the car. The lollipop exploded under the pressure. I put some plastic balls under the wheels of the car. The wheels of the car have all burst under pressure. Now look at the funny trunk of this bottle.
Are you kidding me? No!
The watermelon's condition was set under the pressure of the car wheels. How the light broke under the pressure of the wheels. The jelly burst out. Let's see what happened to this potato. I put some small jelly in a few bowls. The cane bottle bursts under the pressure of the wheels. I put a lot of magic balls inside a hand glass.